Alright, the second thing we're going to demonstrate here is synchronized navigation and audio. So, at least on my phone, when I get into the vehicle, it doesn't always start Spotify, or at least Spotify doesn't always connect. Bluetooth does, but Spotify doesn't always launch. And when I'm driving around town, I also prefer to have Waze running on the phone. So what I've done here is I've set up a trigger for whenever the Bluetooth connects with the car. I'm going to turn on the brake here, or press the brake, and you'll see Spotify start, as well as an app called Drivemode that I use for hands-free texting. It does text-to-speech and speech-to-text for both messages and for Facebook Messenger. So I'll go ahead and press on the pedal. Alright, so it automatically launched Spotify. It automatically launched Drivemode. That's the microphone icon on the left there. And it automatically launched Waze. So everything's in sync. And if I go ahead and shut off the vehicle now, which I'm just going to simulate getting out of the vehicle and letting the vehicle lock itself. So vehicle powers down, disconnects from Bluetooth, Waze is automatically stopped, Spotify automatically pauses, and then after a few more seconds, drive mode will shut down as well. Here we go.